Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, we will learn how to convert date values in months and year format. So let's get us started. Start by opening the Excel workbook that contains the date values you want to fix. Now select the cells and go to the Format cells. Right-click and choose Format cells. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to Custom and type the format here. Now click on OK and there you have it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.